Hello guys, this is Sohan and you're watching Technical Spark. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password without losing your data. In today's date, 99% of computer users protecting their data using password. But what if you forgot that password? If I'm going to empty password, it's not working. If I'm going to type anything here, it's also not working. So don't worry, I have a solution. You can reset your password within a 5 to 10 minutes by following my steps. And these are 100% genuine. And friends, this technique you can use in any PC, whether it's a Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, whether that is your office, personal or any other PC. So to reset your password, first of all, we need to go to the another working computer. In working computer, open any browser and type letssoft.com. In the website, click on download. At download page, just check for a home version because this is completely free of cost and click on download. Once software download is complete, open the location where this software is downloaded and install the setup in your PC. This is completely free. Accept the license agreement. Next, next, next and install. Click on finish. So with the help of this tool, you can recover your Windows, perform data recovery, disk image and clone for your hard disk and password recovery. So this is the feature which we are going to use. Now the next thing which we require, that is pen drive. Connect pen drive to your system. Pen drive is connected. Now make sure this pen drive is empty because during our process this entire pen drive is going to be formatted. Don't put your any important data in it. Now click on Windows button and search for LetsSoft Recovery Suite Media Builder Home Edition and open that. Now in welcome page we'll have to select our OS for which we want to reset your password. So my OS is Windows 10 64-bit and click on next. Now second thing, we are going to make our pen drive bootable. So I'm selecting USB flash and make sure your same drive letter is selected here, that is H. Now click on start button. It will take some time to make your device bootable and make sure your internet is connected because during this process this tool downloads some files from the Microsoft website to make your pen drive bootable and resetting the password. Now it's give the prompt that you must format the USB disk before it can be made bootable. So yes, I don't have any data in it, so I'm going to format. Click on yes. As you can see, the name is got changed. Now it's making your pen drive bootable. Guys, all through there's a lots of methods available to reset your password, but I'm going to explain one of my favorite and easy method to reset or remove your password. Great. The recovery disk is now ready. Click on finish. Now remove this pen drive from your computer. Pen drive removed. Now let's go back to the main computer where we are facing issue. Guys, let me show you again that I am not able to log in into my PC. If I'm going to empty password, it's not working. If I'm going to type anything here, it's also not working. So to reset this password, what we are going to do is we are going to boot our computer using the pen drive which we just made bootable. Now connect your pen drive to your PC and click on restart. Once PC is restarted, click on F2 button to go to the BIOS menu. In your case, once PC is shut down, then it will start automatically. During that time, just continuously press F2 or maybe Del or maybe F7, F8 key to go to the BIOS menu. Once you enter the BIOS menu, select the pen drive which we connected. So mine is EFI USB device and click on enter. Now select LetsSoft Live CD which is our bootable pen drive and click on enter. Now it's loading the files. It will take some time like 1 minute to load the files. Files are loaded. Now it's booting the application. In this screen, we have to choose password recovery. In password recovery, make sure your reset Windows password option is selected. Now click on the load drivers and check whether your hard disk is showing or not. So this is first is my computer hard disk and second is my 7.76 GB, which is my pen drive. Click on console. If all the information is correct in your machine, click on next. Okay, this is gives a warning that this software is free for home use, not for the professional. So this is our home computer, so I'm clicking on yes. In this screen, select reset local password. Click on next. So in this screen, it will show all the user account which is available in your computer. So here I'm going to reset my administrator account so that I'll get full control over the computer. Now select that user and click on next. This is the optional information. Now I'm going to click reset unlock. The password reset successfully. Click on OK. Click on the finish button and choose reboot. Your PC is restarting. Since we have reset the password and didn't type anything, so what we'll do, we'll just click on enter button. And as you can see, I'm successfully able to log in to my computer. Now if you want to set password again, just press Ctrl Alt Delete and click on change password. In old password, keep it empty, and in new password, type the password which you want and click on submit. Password is changed successfully. Now let me log my computer and we'll try to log in again with a new password. It's successful. Guys, let me tell you, this trick will work on your local account, Microsoft account, as well as your domain account. Friends, I hope now you will be able to unlock your computer password using this method. Please follow the steps to unlock your password, and I'll provide software download link in my video description. Once your issue is resolved, please don't forget to click on the like and share button. If you have any question, queries or feedback, please feel free to type in the comment box below. I'll definitely answer each of your comment. That's it in this video. I'll catch you in the next one. This is Sohan signing out.